ClassAgile provides teachers multiple tools to share content in real time. Teachers can share links, inspirational quotes, or share a YouTube video when the class is in session. The sharing feature is an interactive feature, therefore it works when the class is in session and both the teachers and students joined the class. As a teacher, to share one or more links with the students in the class, launch the link sharing dialog from the menu, select the students you want to share the link with, add the links you want to share, and click on the share button to share the links. The selected students receive the link through the pop-up dialog, and the clickable links are listed on the dialog. These links will open in new tabs when the students click on them. To share an inspirational quote, click on the quotes link from the menu, and the quote sharing dialog will launch. Select the students you want to share the quote with, and enter a quote and its author. Alternatively, you can use the Get a Random Quote button to retrieve a famous quote from ClassAgile's database. You can also pick a color for the quote. By turning on the Pin the Quote on the top bar option, the shared quote will be displayed on the top bar of the ClassAgile application. Otherwise, the quote is delivered to the students as a pop-up notification. You can preview the quote with a setting you configured before sharing with the students. Click on the Share button to share the quote when it's ready. The students will receive the quote instantly, and the quote is displayed as configured by the teacher. To share video content from YouTube during a class is simple using ClassAgile. Click on the Watch Together link from the menu, select the students, and paste the YouTube link you want to share. There are two settings the teacher can configure. By turning on the Allow Students to Minimize the Video option, will give the student the option to minimize the video when the shared video is playing. By default, the students are not able to minimize the shared video on their screen. By turning on the Allow Student to Close the Video option, will give the student the option to close the video while it's playing. By default, the students don't have the option to close the video. You can click on the Preview button to preview the video. As a teacher, you have a full control of the video playing state, such as play, pause, fast forward, rewind, or close. These actions are synced to students' video player. Therefore, everyone sees the same frame of the video.